Welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. These are what we call hang-ups, and you can't have enough hang-ups in your life. It's a busy LIZZIE hang-ups. Perfect, they flower non-stop from May until October. Protect them for a little while. We've got a polytunnel or greenhouse for the moment, and then let them outside from May onwards as the danger of frost passes. Or if you're down south where frost won't be as big a problem as it is inland, they're ready for out straight away. They flower non-stop from now right through until October time. Just a hanging pot like that. You've got a hanging piece on the back there and a water pipe in the center. So just hanging a wall, fence or post, and you've non-stop flowers right through until October. Now you can leave it standing at your doorstep like that as well and let it fill out on a doorstep. You don't have to hang it up. We have a range of different colors. That's an orange and then pink, white. If you need a specific color, just send us a message on it. We see what we can do for you. It's just a small amount ready for start with our hang-ups, but they're an easy way to create colour in your garden. So hanging up on wall, fence, arch or post. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.